Premier Prestbury property situated on a double lot adjacent to a park and a view of the lake. Grand entry foyer, setting the tone for the elegance and charm within. The living room features skylights and a cozy fireplace. The family room offers another fireplace. Formal dining room. Generous-sized eating area with bow window. Expansive kitchen. Stunning sunroom with volume ceiling, panoramic views and overlook from above. Enclosed porch with access door to the deck and gazebo. Master suite with Juliet balcony. Cozy sitting room. Second master suite. Third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. Fifth bedroom. The full finished basement has a large rec room with electric fireplace and built-in wet bar. Deck, pergola, and screened gazebo, perfect for outdoor gatherings. The location is superb with a park and lake nearby.